All right, so now we're looking at question 3. How is the reliability of source D affected by ability to see? I'm going to tell you, so when we're rating these, I would rate this a 1. Whoopsie. I would rate this a 1 as far as difficulty, and I would rate this a 1. This one is actually more like a 2 or a 3, and it's because it's wanting you to really lock in. So you've got to give, you've got to give at least 2 reasons that he has ability to see or how ability to see affects it. So it is a research report. I'm reading it with you. It's long been known that continuity of medical care leads to higher satisfaction rates among patients. Research from a leading university. So that's going to be an ability to see. Research from a leading university medical school has now revealed that patients who see the same doctor every time have lower death rates than those who see different doctors on different occasions. Okay, it published findings of 22 studies covering more than 1.4 million patients from several different countries. All of these things matter. 18 showed that patients were significantly more likely to die in a given period if they were treated by different primary care doctors or hospital consultants. Possible explanations are more patients are more open with their doctor, more trusting of the advice, etc. Okay, so how is it affected by ability to see? Okay, first off, oops, I thought I changed color. Okay, first off, being a research report from a what did it say? Leading university medical school. Shows a high ability to see. Now, I'm not sure if they would separate these two things or not. Okay, the fact that they have 22 studies of 1.4 million patients also suggests high ability to see. But there's a negative factor here, and that is this. These guys, they analyzed published studies. Okay, so they did not conduct this research, and that decreases ability to see. Does it decrease credibility? Well, maybe and maybe not, only in that it is factored in with these other two things. I don't think you would ever get docked for not saying that, but it is sort of a point to look at. I'm looking now at the mark scheme. Okay, 22. They had good ability to see published findings, but they did not necessarily see the original data. Okay, so they don't care. They don't care that it was research from a leading university, except in that they saw this. So these two things were put together. They did, so that's a mark. And then that's a mark. And then they also give a mark. Okay, inherent plausibility. Boy, I wouldn't have gotten that one. Not. So their explanations. Okay, that patients are more open about their symptoms, more trusting of the advice, and more likely to take. Okay, so they are saying that these things are based on plausibility, not ability to see. Okay, so again, there's two marks here. If you had put these three things, you would get 2 marks. But if you had only put these two things, you'd only get 1 mark. So put as many things as you can unless they limit you to the number. That is 1C.